Now we will start chapter number 6, the triangle and its property, exercise 6.1. In triangle PQR, D is the midpoint of QR. So PM will be the altitude and PD is equal to median. Why median? Because median PD divides this line into the two equal parts. So it will be the median and D will be the midpoint of QR. So is a QM is equal to MR? No, because this is not a median and it is not dividing into the two equal parts. So QM is not equal to MR. Now see the exercise 6.2. Find the value of the unknown exterior angle x in the following diagram. So you can see this diagram here. We are having these two interior angles, that is 50 degree and 70 degree, and this exterior angles also there, that is x. And we have to find the value of x. So exterior angle is equal to sum of interior opposite angles. Now exterior angles will be this x, which is given in the question, and the two interior angles, that is 50 degree and 70 degree. So we will add them. So 50 plus 70 will be the 120 degree. So the value of x will be the 120 degree. As same as B question number B, that is two interior angles we are having and we have to find the exterior angle, which is x. So exterior angle is equal to sum of interior opposite angles. So x equal to 65 plus 45 degree. So the value of x will be the 110 degree. Now see the question number 2. Find the value of unknown interior angle x. The following figures. Now we are having two angles, two interior angles, which is x and 50 degree, and one exterior angle, that is 115 degree. So here we have to find the interior angle, which is x. Sum of interior opposite angles is equal to exterior angle. So we are having these two interior angle, so we will add them. 50 plus x is equal to 115 degree. So we have to transfer of this number this side. So x equal to 115 minus 50 degree, because it is given with the plus sign. When we have to transfer of this number, it will change into the minus sign. So 115 minus 50 will be the 65 degree. So interior angle x will be the 65 degree. Now see the exercise 6.3. Find the value of unknown x in the following diagram. The total measure of the three angles of triangle will be 180 degree. So we are having this triangle, in that we are having two angles, 50 degree and 60 degree, and third one we have to find out. By angle sum property of a triangle, the sum of the the sum of the three angles is equal to 180 degree. So we are having these three angles, x, 50 and 60 degree. So angle x plus 50 degree plus 60 degree will be the 180 degree. So angle x 50 plus 60 degree will be the 110 degree, is equal to 180 degree. Now we have to transfer of 110 degree this side. So x equal to 180 degree minus 110 degree, because it is given in the plus sign. When we have to transfer this number, it will change into the minus sign. So angle x will be the 70 degree. So the value of x will be the 70 degree. Now see the question number 2. Find the value of the unknown x and in the x and y in the following diagram. So as you know, y plus 120 degree is equal to 180 degree. Y plus 120 degree is equal to 180 degree as a linear pair, because it is a linear pair. 120 degrees. So here we have to transfer 120 this side. So y is equal to 180 minus 120 will be the 60 degree. So the value of y will be the 60 degree. Now by angle sum property, x plus 50 degree plus y is equal to 180 degree. So here in place of y, we have to put the value of y, that is 60 degree. So here x plus 60 degree plus 50 degree is equal to 180 degree. So 60 plus 50 will be the 110 degree. So x plus 110 degree is equal to 180 degree. Now here we have to transfer of 110 degree. So x is equal to 180 degree minus 110 degree will be the 70 degree. So we are having the values of x will be the 70 degree, y is equal to 60 degree, and 50 degree already is given.